Hi guys, welcome back to the next episode of the Mrac Angler Chronicles. Firstly and foremost, apologize for late posting of episodes. Been very busy, a lot of things happening in my life. I just welcome another new member to the family. Yeah, so as you know, the first few months with new member, new baby is quite hectic, so I took some time off from posting and recording, but nevertheless here I am back with the latest episode. Before that, I'd like to also address, I know some of you posted some comments regarding a video of the Daiwa Triple B telescopic baitcaster rod in action. Actually, I did film that episode, but I don't know, I don't feel like posting it yet because I didn't catch any fish, so it's not really that satisfying, not that shook to post a video of a rod in action without catching any fish, like not spicy enough, you know what I mean? So I decided to not post it yet, but give me some time. I'll definitely go out to a more productive location where I'm sure the Daiwa Triple B rod will be able to catch its first fish. But based on what I have tried, it's quite interesting, this rod. Yeah, but anyway, I'll review it when the time comes lah. So the next thing is today's episode. Today's episode is basically about I've got some new equipment for video production. These are basically equipments that's meant to improve the quality of videos that I post for you guys, for my fellow subscribers whom I love so much. So, and it's been like unpacked for quite some time, and I need to use it quickly, so that I need to unpack it quickly so that I can use it. So and it's quite a shame if I just take it out of its packaging and then just started using it. So I thought, why waste the opportunity to post an unboxing video? So here I am. I've got some equipment. So the next few episodes will be an unboxing of some sound equipment. Hopefully it will further improve the quality of the sound of my videos lah. Yeah, so without further ado, today I'm unboxing the first equipment I'm unboxing is this Rode Podmic dynamic broadcast microphone. Yep, I figured I've been using this lavalier mic for quite some time, so I thought maybe upgrading to a proper podcast mic would be an upgrade. So here it is. We're gonna unbox this today and see what's inside the packaging. Alright. Right, without further ado, let's dive into the close-up and let's unbox this together. See you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the close-up. I would like to introduce you to my little friend here, Mr. Cockroach. Mr. Cockroach will be accompanying me in this unboxing. Right, without further ado, let's open up the package. Yeah. Oh, check it out. I forgot to mention, actually this mic, right, is a birthday present from my wife. So shout out to my beloved wife for her support in all the nonsense that her husband is doing, including this videos that I keep making unboxing video. Oh, the packaging seems quite good. Okay. There you go. So look at the Rode Podmic. Let's lift it up. Right guys, this is it. This is how the packaging looks like. Let me adjust the lighting here. Yeah, this is it. The Podmic. Maybe let me lower down the ISO. I guess you can see better. Yeah. Alright, that's better. Podmic dynamic microphone. Oh, by the way, in case you're just wondering, this is the tool that I use to open my parcels nowadays. It's quite cool. If you want, I can do a quick review of this tool. It's not really a knife, but it's just that there's a bottle opener here, and this tool is quite useful when it comes to opening parcels. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to review this tool. Anyway, today's video is about this Podmic dynamic podcasting microphone. Why I chose this, I just find that the sound is a bit more brighter, like more cheery, yeah, in terms of the sound quality. So decided to use this. So hopefully in the near future, all my videos will be will have a very bright sound quality. Right, so this is the box. It's quite heavy though. Let's open it up using the tool that I mentioned just now. There you go. Ooh. Check out the box, man. Of course, we have the Podmic quick start, and just the packaging, and of course they have their own dehumidifier, and of course nothing short of the mic itself, bro. Ooh, this thing is... there's nothing left here, so I'm just gonna put this away. Wow, wow, just wow. This mic is hefty. I think it's like it's the heaviest mic I've ever held or even used. But yeah, it's quite nice. You will notice a lot of podcasters using this mic. I've seen a few using this mic, and most of the time when they use this mic, like the sound appears to be much more brighter. But boy, in videos it doesn't feel this heavy. This guy is massive, man. It's heavy. Oh my god. If you want to know how heavy it is, How about if I weigh? If you guys want to, don't have a weighing scale that's big enough for this though. But it's heavy, man. This guy is heavy. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I have any weighing skills that I can use to weigh this monster. Maybe I do. Let me see. Yeah, maybe I do. But it's not inside this box. Let me put it nicely over here first. My god, it's heavy. Alright. Okay. Let's weigh this baby up. My god, it's 875 grams, almost a kilo. 1000 grams. It's almost a kilo worth of microphone here, man. Oh my god. You know why I'm so amazed by the weight? Because the heavier it is, that means the stand has to be quite durable as well. You cannot afford to use this on any cheap mic stand, or else it won't be able to withstand the weight of this massive microphone. Oh goodness. But yeah, wow, amazing. So it comes with this swivel and this, so it's basically an XLR. It's connected only by XLR. I don't see any monitoring connection from the mic itself, so probably you need to monitor it using the interface that you're gonna connect this to, basically. Wow, it's massive bro, crazy massive, man. It's heavy. I better take full good care of this. So I'm gonna just put it back in its wrapper until I decided to use it. I seriously need to find a proper stand for this, and of course I need to get an XLR cable. I don't have any before I can start using it in the near future. So yep, I'm just gonna go back to where it comes from until I decided to use it for the next video, guys. And hopefully you get to see the mic in action in the next video. So let's put it back. So how much does this mic cost? I think according to my wife it's 100 130, 100 something, 130, yeah. Less than 150. Where did I got it from? Where did she got it from? She got it off Shopee, KT Pacific. For those of you who are in Singapore, she got it from KT. What is it called? Oh my god, what's the packaging? KT Photo Shopee web page. Yeah, so generally I've seen a few sellers on Shopee. They're selling it around less than 150 lah, basically. So those of you who are looking into podcasting, something worth considering. So yeah, that's the unboxing of this hefty mic. It's heavy, bro. It's heavy. So if you're thinking of buying this mic, you better have invest in a very good stand, and as well as XLR cables as well. Right. Without further ado, let's jump back to the main camera. See you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the main camera. Believe it or not, this is the third or fourth time I record this outro. So I don't want to take too long, because every time I take too long, the memory card of my camera start giving me errors. So this is the end of this episode. Thank you guys for subscribing, for watching. Thank you for your time. Yep, this is the episode on the Podmic podcast, the 8.75 gram or almost 1 kilo, 1000 grams microphone. Again, as a note, if you guys are considering purchasing this mic, remember you need to invest on a good stand, because this mic is heavy. So bear that in mind. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for your time. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It means a lot to us content creators if you subscribe and press that notification button. For those of you who have subscribed, stay subscribed. Thank you very much. I love you all. Alright, thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. I got a lot of potential unboxing and review, not just production equipment, but also some fishing equipment which I have acquired during my duration of absence. So stay tuned guys. Stay tuned. Until then guys, adios.